Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 18th, and this is my morning analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, today is Good Friday, so happy Good Friday and happy Easter this weekend too. I hope everybody enjoys their holiday. So, today is not a bank holiday for the US, but it is a bank holiday for most of the rest of the world. So, in the New York session, we definitely could see some volume, but so far the market is very, very, very slow. Now, I've been saying that this could be an A right here, and this could be a B, and then it could go down for a C. The problem with that is that if this right here was a wave C, it wouldn't be so sideways. It would be impulsive down for a wave C. Now, I'm not sure if it's just slow because of the holiday or what, but the fact that it's so sideways really makes it look like this is actually a trend right here for the A. This is actually a three-wave pattern for wave B, and that this is potentially going to go up for wave C. And then it would be one, two, three waves down for the A, so three waves of A, and then one, two, three waves up for B. So this would be like a 3-3 pattern, either a WXY, which would lead to another one, two, three waves down when it's ready, or possibly a flat pattern, which would lead to 5 waves down for a 3-3-5 pattern. And the trend is definitely still up on the higher time phase. So for me, it would make more sense for this to actually go up, probably even retest the last highs before it actually does make either 5 waves down or 3 waves down, depending on whether it's a WXY or whether it is a flat pattern. So anyways, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and happy trading.